great platform for me to be able to take a session after what Sonia just said. I think she opened up the door for me and created a platform of how a corporate, which is, I find the word corporate social responsibility a big burden on my shoulders, actually. I find the word responsibility, when all of us have responsibilities in our daily lives, all of a sudden we feel like a little weighed down. So I truly agree with her conversation around corporate social opportunity and a corporate social value. You know, I mean, we need to really, as private sector, see this as a huge shift from just being a responsibility, which I have to do because somebody's asked me to do it, to more of value creating, you know, something very well shared by her, as well as, you know, I see it as an opportunity for a corporate to be able to not just give back to community, but to be able to gain much more than what they're giving out. So I would like to just, you know, take you through a little bit on what we do as a foundation and what is it that makes us look at the donor bucks that we put in, which is our foundation capital, to make a difference. So I'd like to just quickly take you through. We are a foundation set up by the group separately from the CSR or the social investment wing of Shell. So Shell does its own social investments and corporate social responsibility. We are a separate company, legal separate entity, which was created exclusively for working on certain issues around the world. And our focus is primarily, just taking back from where Sonia left, and I'm trying to link up because, you know, we are saying the same messages, is the focus. What is it that our company is good at? We are an energy company. And so we are working on energy issues, energy, transport, and sustainable environment, on issues around this, keeping the rural consumers in mind as a part of our foundation work. So we pick some of the issues we work on. We've been working on them for the last 10 years with a very clear objective of saying, how do we take them to scale? How do we impact them and build a sustainable model so that when we create a pioneer, one or two organizations which have made a difference, then we can help catalyze the sector in a much bigger way. So 3 aspects that we as a foundation work on. We work on the funding aspect of the partner. We work on the more than money, and that's a very, very critical aspect that I'd like to just highlight. When I say more than money, it is, you know, once the check is cut and gone to the partner, then clearly the partner needs a lot of engagement that she mentioned again as business value. Any organization, whether it's a development or a startup business, needs every aspect that any of your businesses or parent companies need in terms of functional expertise and process expertise and systems expertise. And clearly we normally look at development as saying, you know, give them the money and let them do it on their own. You know, the challenge of building in more efficiencies, the challenge of building in better optimization to deliver better to, you know, to an energy and a poverty issue or any issues around development is actually much more, and your commitment to use your business thinking to deliver to that makes it that much more efficient. So, you know, all of us in the foundation, just as a quick background, are all people from the business, and we understand business very well, and so we are working in all these companies literally by the day, helping them fill the gaps wherever they need, whether it's governance at one level, so it could be their boards and structures at one level, all the way down to consumer linkages, to linkages in networks, market, supply chain, products, technology, wherever the gaps are.